In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix navigation bar is missing in Outlook. So you are in your Outlook Classic and in the left-hand menu, you can't see any folders or navigation menus. Let's fix it out. First of all, click on View and here, click on Layout. Hover over on Folder pane and here, you have to select Normal. Once you select Normal, here you'll get back the navigation menu. Also, sometimes if you minimize the folder pane, then you won't see the folder pane. Again, pin the navigation bar, you have to click on this icon and just pin the navigation bar and your navigation bar will be again add. So that's how we can resolve this issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.